Alright guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. Welcome back to this video. We're looking at the iCarsoft EU Pro, which covers European makes and models. And if you are interested in this tool, I'll put the link in the description below this video to where you can pick up the genuine and official product. There are fakes, there are clones, they can damage your vehicle, so it's not worth going down that route. So make sure you use the link in the description below this video if you want to get your genuine tool. So, really quick video. We've got 3 warning lights that need to be reset. We've got the flashing glow plug, we've got the ABS, and we've got the airbag light. And we're going to use this tool to do them. All of these faults are no longer present, but the warning lights are still on. So, we're going to click into the diagnostics section. And we're going to go to Audi. It's a really quick no frills video. I'm not going to go into the, the specific details of the faults that were there and how they've been corrected, because what I will say is there's 3 main things, there's 3 main steps to diagnostics. You diagnose the fault, you fix the fault, and then you reset the fault. So that's what I would say. VIN identify, just go okay, it finds the vehicle for you, then you can go down to control unit, and we're going to be super quick here. Engine electronics, read the fault code. So this was a fault due to the cylinder 1 open circuit. It's now sorted. We're going to click on to clear fault memory and watch the flashing glow plug light turn off. There we go. Now the flashing glow plug light, a lot of people think it is just a fault with the glow plug, but it's not always the case. It signals a fault within the electrical system of the engine. So if somebody says, oh, flashing glow plug light, it's a problem with the glow plug, don't listen to them. You need a tool to diagnose the actual fault, okay? We are getting a few communication faults like this one here for some reason. We need to investigate that further, so don't worry about any U codes that you see in this little video. So next we'll go to the ABS warning light, and that is located within the brake electronics. If we go to read fault again, front ABS sensor is where the fault was, this one here and that one there. All sorted now, clear fault memory. Keep an eye on the ABS light, it's now gone. It has now illuminated the TPMS warning, which we are currently also getting, but that's another story for another day. I'm not worried about that for now. We just wanted to show you. If we go back into there, you can see it says there are still 2 fault codes. One of them is that communication, and one of them is that tyre pressure fault. So don't worry about that again. And then the last one is going to be the airbag system. Again, we're probably going to get these U codes. So that's the airbag fault, that's a U code, that's another airbag fault. So what we'll do is, it's all sorted now, clear fault memory, erase operation done, airbag light has just turned off. And that is, in essence, the EU Pro. Really quick video just to show you, just because we had three warning lights there that we needed to diagnose, we needed to turn off. And I just thought I'd stick the camera on and show you this tool just doing that. There we go. Really quick no frills video. It does cover a huge range of makes and models though, as you can see here. There we go. And it does some service functions as well. Okay, thanks for watching guys. If you are interested, as I say, just use the link in the description below this video. There are fakes, there are clones, they can damage your vehicle. It's not worth going down that route. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.